What is going on, guys? Surgeon Detectives. Welcome to another video on my channel. We're going to be making a Windows 10, well, just a regular Windows 10 virtual machine. So I'm going to be using an older version of Windows 10. It's an ISO file, but the same steps should apply. This isn't really a tutorial. This is just me doing something. So the reason I want to do this is because I wanted my channel to be based on technology, which it obviously is. But what my other idea was to make it so I just did something. I didn't necessarily script it, which I don't script my videos anyway. I don't it's not a tutorial or anything. I just do it and see what happens. If it fails, we fix it. That's kind of what I wanted to start. It's not necessarily a series. It's just really what what I wanted it to be about. So let's go ahead and create the virtual machine. It's so weird because I'm so used to doing tutorials and stuff. So I'm just like, it's not new to me doing this type of stuff. So it's Windows 10, Microsoft Windows. We're going to name this Windows 10 VM because I don't actually know. We're actually going to put it on my other drive because, you know, that's what I do. Windows 10. Okay. I have a 3 terabyte hard drive and I'm going to give it like 100 gigs since I have a 3 terabyte. What am I doing? That way, if I ever want to do anything with Windows, I can. And I honestly think I should give Windows 10 2 gigs, to say the least. I have 16 gigs right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and move OBS over, and I'm going to put it here so I can keep an eye on my RAM. So let's go ahead. This is so weird. This is going to be an interesting video. All right, let's go ahead and click Finish. I think it's going to launch us right in. No, I got to click it. So let's see what happens. Do I want to do Windows 10? I'm going to do 32-bit, so it only registers a certain amount of RAM, and 32-bit is a little more lightweight. I have a 64-bit processor, obviously, but, you know. And I don't think I'm going to edit this. I think this is going to be something I don't edit. I might edit, like, the beginning to add my intro and stuff, and, like, edit some parts out when I do installations and stuff, so you guys don't have to sit through that. However, that's, like, all I'm really going to edit. I want this to be something you guys can just watch. So I have 11 gigs available for RAM right now. So yeah, this is perfect. 2 gigs of RAM is perfect. We're going to be doing Windows 10 Home. Just because I don't need Windows 10 Pro. Wait, what? Oh, I thought that said like 3015 or something. I'm like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Is this from the future? That'd be kind of cool. All right, accept. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do a new partition. Click apply. All right, so it's got 99 gigs, and the system reserved is going to be 483 megabytes, or 500. So this is the part I'm going to cut out. And by the power of YouTube magic, we'll be seeing you right now. Haha, look at that. You see how quick that installation was? No, I just skipped the video. So we're in the virtual machine. So let's customize the setting. Oh, I remember this setup. See, I miss the older version of Windows 10. I like the look of it. It's just Microsoft doesn't support it anymore, which it sucks. So the reason I'm making a virtual machine is because what my plan to do is when I do tutorials on Windows 10, I can just do it in the virtual machine, and I'm not going to record in the virtual machine because that would be horrible. However, it'd just be more simple and it'd look better and all that. That way my stuff isn't showing up, and when I do Windows 10 tutorials, it just shows up because I'm still going to do tutorials and all that, but skip this step. You know, eventually we're probably not going to be able to skip that step. You know what? I'm going to do Surgeons Tech. You know what? I'm going to do this. STT. Every operating system I do is going to be STT, so I don't have to type in Sergeant's Tech Tips. Too much work. I heard my phone across the room. Ding! So I got a text message. I'm not sure if you guys saw, but the new Messenger update, like, changed the sound and stuff, and I did not like it, because all it was like, doo-doo, and that's all you heard in the background. Sometimes I'd barely even hear it, so I like that one better. It's more annoying, but, you know. By the power of YouTube, I'm going to take you to the desktop right about... Look at that, we're on the desktop. Graphics are a little messed up, though. I know my monitor can go higher than whatever this... Oh, God, this is old. Wow, I missed it. Okay. I really miss... Oh, I miss that so much. Like, the older Windows 10, I like that way more than the newest one. Can I even update it here? Oh, I missed this, too, where it was right here instead of over here. It looks so much cleaner. And I'm pretty sure you could turn it off. No, maybe not. Yeah, whatever. Display. What is the freaking... Oh, it's at 1024 by 768. Oh, wait, let's try this. How to really mess with the monitor. Oh, God, it don't like that. Where's 1920 by 1080? There you are. There we go. There's the classic Windows 10. This ain't bad. So this would be something I would do tutorials on. It'll look way cleaner. I wonder if I can actually remove this bar. Is there like a way I can like unpin it or move it or something? I feel like there's a way I can remove it. Maybe I can move it to like the other monitor or something. The only reason I want to do that... Okay, so you can't do that, but... Oh no. Not OneDrive. This is something else I wanted to do in my videos. Try to figure something out if I've never done it before. Because I really have. The only time I've really used this stuff is like... I've used virtual, like, VMware for a while, but I haven't really, like, got into it. Because I've never really had two monitors, so... Wait, what? Oh, okay, it's just a screenshot. I thought it'd be something even more cool. Anyway. Intel Core. I think I only gave it one core. That's still pretty snappy. I gave it 2 gigs of RAM. That's all it really needs. Because I don't really do much in the virtual machine. But I really want to know if there's a way... Can I, like, move this bar or something? I feel like there is a way so that it looks cleaner when I record. What is this? To leave exclusive mode. Enter exclusive mode. Ah! And then, what was it? Control, Alt, Delete. Oh! That was not it. Sorry, guys. So, I don't know what happened, but when I did exclusive mode, it Okay, so let me do this. I want to know what exclusive mode was. View. Exclusive mode. So what exactly? All right. Control Alt Enter. That's how you get out of that. So let's go back into the virtual machine, I guess. I just want to know how... Okay, so let's do this. Exclusive mode. View. Full screen. Control Alt. So I want to go up here. View. Okay, so to leave exclusive mode, press the Control and Alt key combination. Oh, okay, so I just enter exclusive mode. So then I do Control Alt. Oh! That's going to be a lot more helpful, because then that piece up here doesn't show up. So when I enter exclusive mode, it looks like I'm regular in Windows 10. That makes my day, because then I can actually make more high-quality videos. Even though it's, like, not the greatest quality in the world. So, okay. I'm really going to have to edit the shit out of this video more than I thought I would. But, like, that's actually really cool. You learn something new every day. I'm really liking, because I just do Control Alt, and then I'm out of it. And then when I'm done recording, I can just do Control Alt, and then it should look that sweet. I really like exclusive mode. I'm digging that. What's console view? Oh wait, what? Oh, okay, so that's just regular exclusive mode. Let's download Chrome. This should have enough RAM. Oh god. Yeah, I don't... I'm just gonna close it. I don't want to listen to it. I might have to give it more than 2 gigs of RAM. I could probably give it like 3 or 4. I have 16 gigs. I don't really need to worry about RAM usage. If I really wanted to, I could get 32 gigs of RAM in my computer. And then... it'd be good. I really like this old version of Windows. If you guys know a way I can make a macOS like virtual machine type thing, let me know, because like that would be a lot better than regular just like I like Windows and all that. I love Windows, don't get me wrong, but I want to be able to do macOS tutorials again. So if you guys know how I can make like a macOS High Sierra, or even actually macOS Sierra, I'm pretty sure is still supported by Apple. So if I can figure out how to do a macOS Sierra, which I'm probably going to do some research before I go to bed, but if I can figure out how to do that, then I could actually start doing videos in macOS, because I have had a couple of requests for macOS videos, which would be really cool. Google Chrome. Download. Go to download. Download Chrome. Yes, because Chrome's 10 times better. I mean, Microsoft Edge ain't bad. I'm not a big fan of it, but it's not bad. And another thing, so when I do videos, like some of my past recent videos, they use UAC. It doesn't show up on the screen recorder. And when this pops up, this is 10 times better since my computer can actually do virtual machines. That helps a lot more, so people will actually get what they need to do. Because I've had a couple people ask me and be like, so this thing popped up on my computer, and when I click no because I don't trust it or blah, 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 it just won't install. So people understand the concept of that. I'm Cortana, ask me anything. I wish Microsoft kept this look. I really like this look. I definitely like this look a lot more. Yeah, see, I gave it 100 gigs. I could probably get rid of the ISO file if I really... Can I actually unmount that without fucking up the virtual machine? Well, I guess we'll find out, won't we? Eject. It shouldn't, because I already installed it. That's better. That looks a lot better. Alright, welcome to OneDrive. No. Alright, Chrome is installed, so when I want to do videos with Chrome, I can. So, yeah. I guess that's going to be it for the video. I don't really have anything else to do for videos. Oh. Wow! Those are huge. So let me know what you guys want to see for future videos of me installing whatever to a virtual machine. I'll catch you all later. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike it sucked. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. I'll see you guys next video, and peace.